I completed my BE in electronics from Vivekanand Education Society, Mumbai. And after that, I was on a gap for 6 long years, searching online for the courses, what I can do, what is actually trending in the industry. That time, I get to know about CrioDo. So this is how it actually proceed from my graduation to my career break to starting my professional journey. I was very new to coding. I did not have any coding experience before. So once I joined the Crio, first thing I have learned is JavaScript. And I had amazing experience while learning there. The learning is very structured, sorted, and very clear. They make sure that you are understanding everything from the core concept of the topic. Whatever knowledge I do have as a front-end developer, everything I have get through the Crio itself. I enjoyed the most was the sessions. Sessions were really very interacting. When I have joined the Crio, I really start liking the coding. They teach you how to proceed for the solution. So this I like the most. I would like to suggest that think about upskilling yourself at first, getting the knowledge. Even Crio says that once you are able to complete the 70% of a course by your own self, by putting your efforts, then there is no one who can stop you to get the job.